A company wants to take an overall strategic view on its marketplace. It wants to see the marketplace as a whole, and it wants to see how broad and how deep that marketplace is. There is one approach called the cascading strategies model that really look at ways in which a concept can be evaluated for practicality, for the ability to produce it at a low cost, and for the ability to get it out into the supply chain and distribute it efficiently, effectively, and in a timely basis. That's one approach to taking a look at the strategy overall. From good strategic thinking comes the tactics, and the tactics tend to be the pillars underneath those strategic frameworks. If I wanted to be a very innovative company, I want to have tactics that move quickly. If I want to be the first new cell phone to offer new technology, I want to make sure I'm as broadly distributed through the supply chain as quickly as I can. If I'm a local business and I'm doing dry cleaning, for example, I might want to offer services that no other dry cleaner in the area does, pickup and delivery and pickup windows and things perhaps that are innovative in my marketplace.